a spectacular Sunday. I'm so glad that you got to go out and enjoy the pumpkin patch with the family. We got to go out to Gathering Place, and man, it was packed. There were so many people out there enjoying the beautiful weather.
Yes, we have been waiting for this kind of weather, especially since we're already just in the middle, almost towards the end of October. We've been dealing with some 90s, some 80s, so yesterday's temperature was perfect. Today's not going to be as perfect for my fall lovers. If you love the summertime, you love the heat, today's actually going to be the day for you. But I want to warn you, you want to take advantage of today because I'm not seeing mid 80s in the future so far. It's actually going to be more reasonably. We got to be reasonable here. Temperatures are in the 70s. We could see some upper 60s throughout the rest of this month. But for the most part this morning, it is going to be very gusty. So keep that in mind. Wade's RV Weather Camera Network, where we're seeing a few shaky cameras out there. You could start to see winds are slowly starting to pick up. Currently at 56 in Tulsa, 48 in Bartlesville, 46 over into Tahlequah. Winds sustained at about 15 miles per hour, gusting upwards of 18 and 21 over into 4 Acre. But these are really going to start to pick up, and that's why we do have that wind advisory in place. This is mainly going to be from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. for today. Areas shaded in that blue could see sustained winds 20 to 25 miles per hour, gusting upwards of 45 miles per hour. And those areas are also in a limited fire concern, so no outdoor burning if you are under that wind advisory. As you are heading out the door, we do have temperatures at least in the 50s for some here in Tulsa, 57, 74 by lunchtime. Not bad patio weather. And then we'll be back in those mid 80s later on this afternoon. You can see highs are climbing about 15 degrees warmer this time than we were yesterday. But we do have some changes. A cold front will move in through the area. That'll drop our temperatures before our next storm system arrives Thursday into Friday. And that's what's going to be bringing in some heavy amount of rainfall. But at least those temperatures remain back in the 70s to upper 60s.